Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning sentences in Igbo language, sentences that are most frequently used. Let's begin. Kedu ihe ifuru? 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 What did you say? Echegbula onwe gị. Echegbula onwe gị. Echegbula onwe gị. Echegbula onwe gị. Don't worry. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. I don't agree. Ị wetere ya? 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 Did you get it? Mee ihe nna ekwu. 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 Do as I said. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Have a good trip. Guys, please, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you don't forget. Please. Just click on the right button there and subscribe so you don't forget, because I know most times you forget. Let's continue. Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? 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 What do you want? Biko bịa ozugbo ị nwere ike. 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 Please come as soon as possible. Ana m atụ anya. 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 I hope so. Ị ghọtara m? 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 Do you understand me? Kedu nọmba ekwentị gị? 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 What is your phone number? Kpọọ m ụbọchị ọbụla. 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 Call me anytime. Enwere m mmasị ebe ị nọ. 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 I admire you. Enwere m ike inyere gị aka. 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 Can I help you? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ime? 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 What do you want to do? Guys, please, if you watched to this point, please don't forget to subscribe. Please just click on the subscribe button there and also the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a new video. On this channel, I do so many other things that I bring in between the lessons so that the channel will be, you know, vibey and not all full of lesson all the time. Let's continue. Ajụrụ m nke ahụ. 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 I decline that one. I don't agree with that one. I refuse with that one. Ajụrụ m nke ahụ. Ị na-egbu oge m. 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 You are wasting my time. O nwere ihe ị chọrọ? 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 Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Do you want anything? Ebee ka ị na-aga? 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 Where are you going to? Enwere m olileanya na ị ghọtara. 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 I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Enwere m olileanya na ị ghọtara. Emegharịla. 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 Meherila, don't move. It means don't move. I can also say meherila aru. Meherina aru. Meherina ahu. Meherina ahu. Don't move your body. Don't move your body. Ike gwụrụ. Ike gwụrụ. Ike gwụrụ. Ike gwụrụ. Ike gwụrụ. Ike gwụrụ. I'm tired. Ọrụ m doro m anya. 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 I am good at my work. Emezina ka nwata. 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 Stop behaving like a child. Stop behaving like a child. Emezina ka nwata. Now, you will start to repeat everything I have said now, every sentence I have made now. You start to repeat it one after the other. At your time, at your leisure time. Remember to save this video in your watch letter and visit it consistently. The reason I said you should save it in your watch letter is because it's easier for you to go to your YouTube and straight to your watch letter and play the video again. You can also put on your earpiece and listen to this video and listen to these sentences while you do your house chores. You must not be looking at my face. I repeated it, I repeated it, I repeated it so that you can sync it with your own. Remember, if you don't sync with mine as I say, you may find it a little difficult, just a little. It's better to sync as I say. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll see you in my next video. To have a lovely day. Bye.